This week, we're in for a mix of weather conditions. Expect some local rain showers, especially in the afternoons. If you're planning outdoor activities, keep an umbrella handy just in case. Temperatures are also taking a dip, so don't forget to layer up. Daytime highs will hover around 15 degrees Celsius, while nights could drop to a chilly 8 degrees. It's a perfect time to enjoy cozy indoor activities or perhaps a warm drink. Stay tuned to the forecast, as conditions can change quickly. Whether it's rain or shine, let's embrace the beauty of this unpredictable weather.